Shares of regional bank Cullen/Frost is slightly lower today despite strong second quarter earnings. The Texas-based bank has $46 billion in assets, making it one of the 50 biggest banks in the country. So far this year, they've seen record interest in loans and new checking accounts. So even with the threat of Delta, does that tell us it could be full steam ahead for the recovery? Joining me now in an exchange exclusive is Phil Green, the chairman and CEO of Frost Bank. Phil, it's great to have you. Welcome. And talking sort of as up to date as possible, are you seeing improving trends in terms of loan demand?
Well, thanks for having me, Kelly. Yes, we are. We saw an inflection point in our loan volumes in June, and we've seen follow-on for that in July. I was particularly interested to see that commercial and industrial loans, as opposed to just commercial real estate and consumer loans, saw an inflection point in June. So that means to us that businesses are starting to borrow and are starting to use funds in order to move their businesses forward.
I want to ask you about some surprising new entrants to the competitive landscape in banking, which is about to get even more complex and interesting maybe on the crypto front. But putting that aside, even the entry of someone like Walmart, which is trying to do innovative things with certain forms of overdraft protection and otherwise, are they, and this is just starting to get underway, but are these competing away for traditional deposits from your core customer, or is it kind of business as usual as far as you're concerned with basically, I'm sure down there, it must be true in many parts of the country, higher checking balances than we've seen in some time thanks to the pandemic payments?
Well, first of all, you're right about those higher balances. We've seen deposit growth of in excess of 20% for the last couple of years. You know, with regard to new entrants, it could be Walmart, it could be, you know, the fintechs, it could be neobanks. Everybody's competing in our space. And what I think they're doing is they're challenging assumed constraints that have been there in the banking industry over the last several years. And one of the things that we're doing, I think banks should be doing, is responding to those, because I think there's no reason why us, for example, can't respond to a lot of the changes and changing expectations that have been brought on, in some cases, by the neobanks. I'll give you a couple of examples. In our case, we introduced what we call early payday just a couple of weeks ago, where you can get your paycheck a couple of days early because we'll pay the ACH file sooner. We'll spot that money to our customers. And also, we introduced something back in April called overdraft grace, so that if you have an overdraft of $100 or less, we'll pay it for you. We won't charge you anything. So we've got the ability to compete with the neobanks, but we also bring a hybrid banking model where we also bring physical locations to the customer and someone who, when you call, will actually answer the phone and take care of you with great customer service.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.